The Speedbag wall mount is a versatile piece of fitness equipment designed for boxing enthusiasts of all ages, providing adjustable heights to accommodate kids, teens, and adults. One of its standout features is the space-saving design, allowing users to fold the equipment when not in use, which is perfect for home gyms with limited floor space. Constructed from high-hardness alloy steel, this wall-mounted speed bag offers superb durability and stability, ensuring a safe training experience without the worry of sagging. The speed bag is crafted from high-quality PU leather, known for its wear-resistant and soft properties, providing a comfortable and long-lasting training experience. This equipment is not only great for boxing training, but also serves as an excellent tool for stress relief, improving reflexes, coordination, and arm strength. The package includes all necessary components for easy setup, such as a punching ball, inflation pump, and mounting hardware, making installation straightforward on wood or concrete walls.